Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Check Your Instagram Followers that don't follow you back. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Instagram app and confirming that you're logged in. Next, click on your Instagram profile picture located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your Instagram profile, search for the following option. Select Following. To determine if a follower follows you back, you'll need to manually inspect each follower. Tap on a follower's profile and check near the top of their profile page. Look for the number of people they follow. If your username is included in their following count, then it means you mutually follow each other. If not, that follower isn't following you back. Repeat this process for multiple followers to identify those who haven't reciprocated the follow. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.